Your first assignment at UTS is to research and write a paper. Let's use this question to show you how to get started. Discuss the factors that contribute to childhood obesity in Australia. You should use at least 5 academic sources from the last 5 years. Breaking the question into 3 key pieces, instruction, topic, and limiting words, makes it a lot easier to get started. First, look at the instruction word. Here, it's discuss. This word tells you what the assignment wants you to do. Instruction words like discuss, compare, analyze tell you how to approach the question and what form your assignment will take. Discuss means your assignment will be about the most important aspects and implications of the topic. Second, identify the topic words. These words tell you the subject of your assignment. You will focus your research on these topic words. In this question, childhood, obesity, and factors are the topic words. It's useful to make a list of words similar to your topic words. Childhood. Other words to describe this can be children, child, or kids. Obesity, obese, overweight, BMI, body mass index, maybe even fat. Factors. Another word could be reasons, and the factors can be specific. For example, economic, lifestyle, education, diet, or exercise. These similar words are important when you start researching. Your readings and textbook can also help you find similar topic words. Third, look at the limiting words. These words narrow your topic. They tell you specifically what to focus on. For this assignment, limit your topic to Australia and use 5 academic sources from the last 5 years. Now it's your turn to try